SUVs tend to do worse than sedans in the famous Moose test as they have a higher center of gravity and are heavier, and the BMW XM, which weighs over 6,000 pounds, is a case in point. Despite being a full M product rather than a regular BMW that has had some spice sprinkled on it, the XM is anything but agile. Dimension-wise, the XM spans 201.2 inches long, 78.9 inches wide, and 69.1 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 122.2 inches. Grunt comes from a 4.4-liter BMW M twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, producing 664 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. The dimensions and weight make it more difficult for the XM to succeed in the Moose test than smaller crossovers. But even the Bavarian automaker's entry-level X1 crossover failed the test due to an overzealous stability control. However, the XM has a rear-wheel steering system, which should help the crossover get around the cones easier. The vehicle is fitted with a set of 23-inch wheels in Pirelli P0 275/35 tires at the front and 315/30 tires at the rear. Independent testing body and publication KM77's first test was the slalom test, where the BMW XM did surprisingly well. Thanks to the high-tech steering system, the plug-in hybrid SUV finished in 22.9 seconds, 0.2 quicker than the light and sporty 2022 Audi RS3 hatch, but 0.1 slower than the 2022 Polestar 2. The next test was the 77 km/h, 47.8 mph test, KM77's benchmark speed, and unfortunately, the XM hit a cone that forced the driver to abort the run. According to the driver, the slight understeer and lack of driving assistance that didn't activate caused the incident. At an entry speed of 76 km/h, 47.2 mph, and just like at the benchmark speed, the driver had to abort to avoid hitting more cones after encountering a small body roll. The XM's cleanest run was at 74 km/h, 46 mph, clearing all cones. Regardless of what was shown, the driver thought the BMW XM still did quite good, applauding how well the XM drove between the cones, saying the car was relatively agile despite being heavy. We still think the famed M division can and should do better.